अगर नहीं आता है उस पॉइंट को बता दो, वहाँ पे गलत लिखोगे तो नंबर कटेगा।
Now see this question number 23. There is a simple case is given and then simple question has been asked over there. The answer is given in the 2 points only, and that's sufficient for getting 2 out of 2. Likewise, likewise when you go in the question number 24, the question is mentioned any 2 regions to state that India is a federal country. They have given you the 3 points. If any of the 2 points are correct, then the 2 out of 2 will be given.
So weak students के लिए अगर वो weak students सिर्फ division of power और independent judiciary भी लिखते हैं तो भी उनको 1 नंबर मिलेगा, इनके डेट भी मिल जाता है।
And then you see this particular last comment that any 2 relevant points. If there is any other point that is mentioned, then again there could be.
Besides this, any other points also?
Then we come to the short answer questions. So generally short answer questions which are of the 3 mark category, there shall be at least 3 points, at least the explanation of two small topics. So this way, one more important thing which we should note that in social science we shall never write in paragraphs.
Yeah.
Write like
It's most important.
learning easy.